Welcome back, everyone. In this particular series, we have already seen and concluded that the next era of languages is the median of thoughts with the creation. Okay, so the art of prompting is not just about asking question, it is about building the creative conversations with the intelligent machine, right? Now, on the same go, we over here will start how a machine thinks, okay? So this lecture is on the understanding of machine thinking. So this is a very important question, I guess. So think of it as you and your friend is talking to each other. You are saying something and then it goes to your friend's mind, and then your friend will think on that particular portion. Okay, that what my friend is saying. It will process that. After the processing, he or she will revert back to you saying what your answer is, okay, what you are looking for. For example, if you say to a person, what is your name? Now, these are just a language. This is just a sentence. This person mind will interpret this, process this. So there is an interpretation, there is processing, and then respond you back that, hi, I am Tanuj. Okay, like this. The same way, machine also listens to you. When I am saying machine also listens to you, means that you are now prompting machine, and based on that, machine is doing some task. That means machine is also trying to interpret you. Okay, the same process is happening, right? And it is responding back to you. So this is equivalent, your input is equivalent to your prompt. Machine thinking is equivalent to your friend's thinking. Now how it will start? So I have already mentioned that you already have seen people understanding your terms. Now there is a catch. If you say to another person that what is your name, his answer may be different from what your first person is saying. That means understanding and formation of the response is on the different paths over here. So one is saying, hi, I am Tanuj. Other may say, my name is Tanuj Sharma. Okay. And it may ask you another question that, and yours. So this may be possible. Now, the same happens with machines. Okay. Now, what? When you do prompting, okay, the machine will not hear it, okay, will not hear it or will not think on it. But what it does a three-step process. First is it tokenize. Then second is it interpret, and last is it predict. So this is what a machine does. So every time when you write a prompt, there is a invisible dialogue between you and the model, the LLM model. Okay, Basically it is kind of a dance of words, and the words is what you have providing the input and the trained intelligence of model. Now this process or this dance from prompt tokenization, interpretation, prediction is known as prompt response loop, and this is very important. Okay, think it like a hidden cycle that converts your intent. Basically what we are saying, it is more on the intent side, right? In natural language processing, LLMs are much more friendly in understanding the intent of human, right? So it is basically a hidden cycle which converts your intent into machine action. So now if someone will ask you how LLM of phase 3 like ChatGPT, Gemini, OpenAI is much more intelligent than the initial natural language models, then you can say that their prompt response loop is much more stable right now. So understanding this loop is like going inside the brain of a model. Okay, we need to go inside of that, and you will see how each word of your prompt, how each comma, each symbol, how it will matter to a model. Okay, so in next video we will dig deep into this invisible conversation between you and the intelligent machine, which is AI. Okay, so we'll see you in next video.